Hey parents, it's Marisa here. So I want to encourage you to go all in on Screen Free Week. If you haven't heard of it, it's a national invitation to go screen free in whatever way that means for you for just 1 week. The organization is trying to get people in schools and communities to make small steps, small changes of behavior that can show you what life is like when you spend less time on recreational media and more time cultivating connections with those who are most important to you. It is a brilliant premise because instead of these big detoxes or institutional change or redesigning something, it's simply saying, parents, that's who our audience is, why don't you reduce screens for a week and see if your life gets better?